I got these noise cancellation headphones. These are perfect for traveling. They're very comfortable. I actually slept with them on the plane, to be honest with you, because they're very soft. Now, you guys can see they give you left and right. You can see distinguish which one it is. Metal brace, so you won't break it. Different degrees. All right. So in case you have big head just like me, there you go. Now these things are durable, so they're not fragile. Big ol' on button. Got your voice, odd volume control, your modes. Very simple, flexible. Look at this. Now, one of the best things I like about it is that they're simple to carry around. I actually have these flat like this. The profile is really simple. If you guys can see sideways, they fit in pretty much any backpack you have. I like that they have the extra cushion on top. Very soft. You guys can see that. That cushion's very comfortable in my head, especially because I wear glasses. Not only that, I got a big noggin in the top, so this is perfect. Now let me put them on so you guys can see them how good. So right and left, all right? They're not even on, and it muffles the audio, to be honest with you. It's just one of those things that when you put them on, that's an extra level set of actually noise cancellation. These are perfect if you're gonna, like I said, if you're gonna be on a bus, on a plane, and you want to listen to maybe your iPad movies. These are actually excellent for those kind of scenarios when you're traveling and you don't want somebody next to you to be annoyed because of the audio. One of the things I like about it is that you can answer phone calls from here. You could drop calls, volume control. You could forward to the next music, the next song. Stereo sound, I can't describe it on a video. It's just one of those things that a lot of these headphones are very durable and they come with that built in. Now, these are surround sound audio for movies, projectors, TVs, gaming, especially gaming. So, hope you guys enjoy this video.